Let us see problems based on this Bernoulli's equation. The first question is, a large tank with a nozzle attached contains three immersible inviscid fluids as shown. Assuming that changes in H1, H2, H3 are negligible, the instantaneous discharge velocity is. So the figure is given here. There is a nozzle attached to this container, and three liquids are placed here. Rho 1, rho 2 and rho 3 are the density, and H1, H2, H3 are the this represented heights. So we need to find with what velocity this third fluid comes outside, with what velocity it ejects outside. We know that to apply Bernoulli's equation here, we need to consider two sections. I am considering this as the first section. Let me say this is section AA and this is the second section BB. What does Bernoulli's equation states? Bernoulli's equation is P by W plus V square by 2G plus Z is equal to constant. If we apply this here, PA by W plus VA square by 2G plus ZA is equal to PB by W plus VB square by 2G plus ZB. Here this ZA and ZB. If I am taking this as a datum line, so Z and ZB are equal, so both gets cancelled. And the fluid is starting from here, so velocity is 0 at this section AA, and here this when the fluid comes outside, atmospheric pressure is acting here. So taking it as a gauge pressure, so this pressure will be 0. So the remaining is PA by W is equal to VB square by 2G. So what is PA? Here PA will be H1 plus H2 plus H3 is equal to H. P is equal to WH. We know this. And here H is equal to, here PA is equal to W into H. And H is equal to, what is H? P is equal to WH, and individual pressures of these fluids is P1 is equal to rho 1 G H1, P2 is equal to rho 2 G H2, and P3 is equal to rho 3 G H3. So what is PA? PA is equal to all these pressures, rho 1 G H1 plus rho 2 G H2 plus rho 3 G H3. So if I substitute it here, rho 1 G H1 plus rho 2 G H2 plus rho 3 G H3 divided by, so there is W. What is W here? The fluid that is coming outside. Which fluid is coming outside? Third fluid is coming outside. W is specific weight, which is equal to rho G. Which fluid is coming? Third fluid. So rho 3 G is equal to VB square by 2G. So from this we can cancel. G gets cancelled, and rho 1 H1 plus rho 2 H2 by rho 3, and plus rho 3 gets cancelled, and the remaining is H3. So which is equal to VB square by 2G. So VB is equal to under root of 2G into H3 plus rho 1 H1 plus rho 2 H2 divided by rho 3. So we have got VB. So what are the options? Let us see. So which option is correct? So this one, this option A is correct. But we have got here this one. By taking H3 outside the brackets, here 1 will remain, and rho 1 H1 plus rho 2 H2 divided by rho 3 H3. So this is there in option A. So option A is the correct answer. And the next question, let us see. Figure shows the schematic for the measurement of velocity of air. So air is flowing in this pipe of density 1.2 kg per meter cube through a constant area duct using a pitot tube. So velocity is measured using which instrument? Using pitot tube. And water tube manometer. And the differential head of the water. So manometric fluid is water in this case. So density is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. In the two columns of manometer is 10 mm. So the difference between the manometric levels is 10 mm. Take acceleration due to gravity as 9.8 meter per second square. Velocity of air in meter per second is. What is the velocity of air? So pitot tube. You can apply directly the formula. You don't need to derive the equation. So velocity is equal to under root 2gh. So what is h? H is equal to hm into rho m by rho minus 1. So what is hm? Hm is the difference between levels of manometric fluid, that is 10 mm. 10 mm means 0.01 meter. I am taking all in the SI units. So rho m. What is rho m? Manometric fluid's density. What is manometric fluid? Water is the manometric fluid. So that is given as 1000 kg per meter cube. So 1000 divided by density of air. Density of air is equal to the flowing one, which is given as 1.2 kg per meter cube. 1.2 kg per meter cube. So divided by 1.2 minus 1. So substituting this in this equation, under root of 2 into g is 9.8. It is given that take g as 9.8 into 0.01 into 1000 divided by 1.2 minus 1. So solving this, we will get V is equal to 12.77 meter per second. So this is the answer. Option C, 12.77 is 12.8. Option C is the correct answer. So simply apply the formula pitot tube or a pitot static tube or venturi meter. Directly apply the formula, you will get the answer. So solve more problems on this Bernoulli's equation application.